It's too early for this. It is 7:10 almost. Gotta get up and take a shower. I love showers, but I hate waking up early to take them. I'm gonna sleep till 8, but that'll be too late. My hair is a hot mess. It's now like 7:18 and I just got out of bed. So I gotta hurry up and get in the shower. It's morning potty time. Hurrah. Rocky! Oh my gosh! My room could be in that poop. But he just pooped. Well, first of all, he's gonna get a treat because he's gonna poop. Sit, buddy. Sit, Marky. Ow, that was my finger, not my... Ugh. Then we're gonna give him some food. I don't feel like putting his medicine in this one. We can do that later. We didn't even use his treat yet. Huh. Here. Come here. So pretty much my plans for today after work are poop, because it is so gloomy out today and just nasty and it looks like it's gonna rain. So taking Rocky to the doggy park probably isn't going to happen. So I'll probably just be doing laundry again. Boo. Unless I go to my parents or my boyfriend's parents' house. On my way to work, it is 8:35. I've got to get something to eat really quick. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so hi guys. So I just got off. Oh my gosh, my face looks so bad. So yeah, it is raining out. That's just how Oklahoma is. It's nice one day and then it rains the next. But anyways, I just got off work. So the dog park is out of the question for today because it's raining. So I don't know what we're gonna do. I guess I'll just have to do housework or something. I might go by my grandma's today, but if not, then I'll probably go by there tomorrow or something. I don't know, but we'll see. So I'm going to drive. I'll see you guys later. Seriously? It is raining so freaking hard right now. My gosh. So I didn't end up going to my grandma's. So I'm just here with my little booger butt. And and it's a rainy day, so nothing's really going. Ow! No bite. Nothing's really going on. My hair is a hot mess. Rocky? He is crazy. Hold on a second. He smacks. Hold on. Sit. He freaking smacks. It's hilarious. Now he's freaking being annoying. Stop. Stop it. Rocky. Alright, so I might vlog later, I might not. So if I don't, then I'm just gonna end this as a rainy day vlog. Okay, anyways, as I was saying, if I don't vlog anymore, then this is goodbye and for today, and I'll see you tomorrow, and yeah. Bye-bye. Rocky, how do you feel about car rides, buddy? Huh? Rocky, how do you feel about the car ride? Are you gonna like it? We'll see, we haven't left yet. He just got in trouble because he pee-pee on Daddy's comforter. So we left. I'm going to get some chicken and dumplings from his mom. So, yup. And he just chills in his crate like a good little boy.